Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the color on your PS5 controller. We'll start by looking at the built-in options for adjusting the light bar. Then, we'll dive into the exciting world of third-party accessories, like custom faceplates and LED kits that offer a wide range of color modifications. Finally, we'll discuss important considerations and potential risks associated with DIY customization, ensuring you make informed decisions for your gaming setup. Your PlayStation 5 controller offers some basic light bar adjustments directly through the system settings. To find these, simply go to the Accessories menu, then select Controller General. Here, you'll see options to change the light bar's intensity. You can set it to bright, dim, or even turn it off completely. Remember, these built-in settings control the brightness, not the actual color of the light bar. For more significant color changes, third-party accessories are your best bet. You can find a vast array of custom faceplates and full shell replacements that come in virtually any color imaginable. Additionally, internal LED kits are available, allowing you to change the light bar's color to red, blue, green, or many other hues. Don't forget colored button sets and joystick caps for even more personalization. Always choose reputable brands to protect your controller. If you're considering a do-it-yourself approach, be aware that disassembling your controller can void its warranty and potentially cause damage if not done correctly. Painting requires specialized paints designed for electronics and meticulous preparation for a smooth, durable finish. Always follow comprehensive guides and use the right tools for any internal modifications. For complex changes, or if you're unsure, professional installation services are a fantastic option to ensure a flawless result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.